Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to quickly export and import Woo Gallery global settings and layouts between WooCommerce sites. This makes it super easy to reuse your setup, save valuable time, and keep your design and settings consistent across all your projects. So let's get started. Let's say you've customized the global settings on your development site. Now, if you want to move these settings to your live site, go to the Advanced tab. Under this tab, you'll find the Import and Export option. Open it. From here, you have the flexibility to export global settings, all layouts, or only selected layouts. For this example, I'll select Global Settings, then click the Export button. Your settings will be downloaded as a JSON file. Now, switch to your live site where you want to import these settings. Again, go to the Advanced tab and open the Import and Export option. Here, you'll see the option called Import JSON File to upload. Upload the JSON file you downloaded earlier. Within seconds, your development site's global settings will be successfully imported to your live site. And that's it! Thanks for watching! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore our other tutorials for more helpful tips.